everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This is a project in its second year, and it was created by Steph Lyons and Lynn. She is Outward Processing here on the YouTube, and I'm going to have those beautiful ladies listed down below, along with the link to the playlist of everyone, and I do mean everyone that has joined in. I can't even count how many people have joined in this year. It is awesome because it's a great project, and I love that more and more people are appreciating and enjoying this project this year. And it really encourages us to use up the products that are likely to go bad first, which are basically the non-powder products. Anything with a higher moisture content is more susceptible to going bad or going off much quicker, drying out, being unusable, untalkable apparently in my mouth. But yeah, I just absolutely love this project. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in. I believe it was 3 to 6 products that you could put in, though it wasn't really hard and fast on the numbers. So if you want to do a little less or a little more, that's quite fine too. The girls, they don't seem to have any issues with making the project work for you and your collection. They are offering quarterly refreshes this year. I have not opted in for that yet, just because what I'm working on, I feel like I really want to work on these and get them done this year, if at all possible. And I did opt last time to bring in a product just for usage, so that gives me a little leeway to hit a goal and move something out of the project and bring something new in. So I think that is what is going to work best for me for this round, and I'm loving it so far. All right, let me show you what I have. I have not hit any goals. I have not finished anything yet, but I feel like finally I'm starting to get some progress. All right, the first one is the Maybelline Color Drama in Stripped Down. I brought this in at 12 grams. I finally have some movement. It is at 11 grams. I know, not that exciting, but 1 gram gone is that's awesome for me. I'm very happy about that one. The next one I'm even more happy about. For Buxom, this is the Wine Me liquid lipstick. I do have it on mixed with some other things. This I brought in at 8 grams. It was 7 grams last update, and now it is at 6 grams. It's so tiny, and yet it just keeps going. I have not even taken the stopper out of this one yet, and it just keeps going. I think it is going to live on forever, possibly, but I'm determined to just keep working on it and eventually get it done and get it moved out, because I am not, by any stretch of the imagination, a liquid lipstick kind of girl. So even if I only get a mini done this year, I'm going to be very happy with that. All right, moving on to the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. That's this bad boy right here. I could roll it up for you, but it's kind of loose. I just don't want it to fall out. That's what I have left. Let me show you where my lines are for this one. Didn't use it a ton, but I was at the red line last time. Now I'm at the gold line. Yes, my lines are kind of crooked because, well, apparently I can't hold things straight. I can't do anything straight. I just can't do it. Next is the ColourPop Jelly Much Shadow in On the Fly. Yes, I'm trying to finish a Jelly Much shadow this year because apparently I'm a glutton for punishment, and you know, that's how I roll. I do feel like I have some amazing progress on this one. Look at the pan. Look at that. And for people that ask about refreshing this one, I do periodically refresh it. I just find that it just applies better if it's refreshed. And I just put a few drops, like literally 2 or 3 drops of contact solution, saline solution in it, let it sit for a few minutes, and then it's good to go. And when I do that, it doesn't seem to disturb it where it like oozes down and covers the pan. It holds its shape pretty darn well, and I just keep using it, and you know, eventually, hopefully by the end of this year, that one will be done. I do enjoy it, but I got so many eyeshadows, and I have actually quite a few Jelly Much, which I really enjoy. So I just want to be able to use up what I have, and then, you know, if something new comes out, I can buy it. Next one is also ColourPop. This is the BFF Cream Gel Liner in Puppy. I can't words tonight. It is like 11 o'clock at night, and you know, gotta film when you can. I can definitely roll this one up for you. Not a ton left, but still plenty. There we go. Camera takes a minute to adjust, and I will show you on the cap. I did not use nearly as much this time. I was at this lighter purple line. Now I'm at the darker purple line. Like the previous month I used it quite a bit, but I just wasn't reaching for it as much, probably because I had used it so much the previous month. Hopefully I will get back into using it for this month so that by the next update I can have like a really good update for you. All right, the one that I brought in last time for usage, this is the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Primer. I've actually enjoyed this, and it started at 37 grams. I want to use it until it hits 30 grams. I'm at 33 grams now, so I am making really good progress on this. Hopefully by the next update I will hit that 30 gram mark, and if I do, I will probably roll in something else just for usage, probably. Unless I'm like really close on something else, I probably will roll in something for usage. All right, that is everything. It's enough. It is enough. 6 products to work on, 5 of them to finish, 1 of them for usage. I feel pretty comfortable with where I am in this project. I don't know that I will have anything empty by the next update, but I do think the usage, I will hit my goal. All right, definitely go check out Steph and Delynn. Again, they're going to be listed down below along with a playlist for everyone, every video for the project for this year. And if you would like to join in, I'm sure we would love to have you, because Steph and Delynn have basically said it's open to everyone. If you want to join in, just let someone know so that we can get you put on the playlist, because we want everyone else to be able to find you and watch your videos too. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.